guys, I'm back again for like the 4th time today. So yeah. You're annoying. Yeah, I get that a lot, but like you are too, so yeah. Thank you for replying. Yeah, no fucking problemo. Stop swearing so much. It makes you sound like a little child. Does it look like I give a fuck? And did I ask? Guys, did I ask her? Did I ask? Are you swaggy or baddie? I'm definitely both. Macaroni with the chicken strips. Yes. You're underrated. You should be famous. I think I already am with how many followers I'm getting within just one day. Sausage pizza. Ew! Who the fuck likes that? Ew!